Hey y'all, welcome to Unboxing Discovery by G. My name is Gina and today we have a sticker subscription. Yes, I am a child. I love stickers. I can't help it. So when I saw this one, I was just like, oh, I gotta get that. And now I'm sitting here thinking, do I really need to be paying that much for stickers every month? And I really just keep saying yes to myself, even though I really shouldn't. But PipSticks, like I said, is a monthly subscription to stickers. They do all their own making and designing of the stickers. They're all high quality, really good stickers. They have different subscriptions. You can get kids, you can get the Pro Club, which is more grown-up stickers. For the kids, you can either get their Kids Club monthly subscription, which is a classic pack or a petite pack. Now, the classic pack is $17.95 a month with 15 sheets of pip stickers worth $50 or more. The petite is $11.95 a month. You get 7 sheets of pip stickers worth $25 or more a month. Now, the prices on the adult, the Pro Club, are the same. You can get the classic or the petite, whatever. I think I get the classic pack, which is going to be the 15 sheets of stickers for $17.95 a month. But come on, really, if you went to the store and bought a nice set of stickers, this many, you'd probably pay that much. I am affiliated, so if you do click my link below, let me see if I can get it open. If you do click my link below, it just kind of credits me as a sales lady. I may get a very small commission, so thank you very much if you do use my link. Let me just, ooh, today just got happier, you know, because stickers are in the mail. Woo! Yippee! Okay, your guide to the sticker revolution. So this is just a cute little booklet. It talks a little bit about next month they're going to be celebrating their 8th birthday. Party time. Sticker wrapping. Ooh. Wrapping with stickers. Please pass the parcel. That's cute. They told you to wrap it. Put a thing of stickers in there. Wrap it again. Put another sheet of stickers in there. Wrap, you know, just keep doing that as many layers as you wanted. And then put the bow and everything around your present. So that was cute. Behind the design, in anticipation of our birthday next month, we decided to get the party started with designs that really turn up the music. The request for rock and roll grannies came in via our Facebook VIP group, and we couldn't have been more excited about the idea. Hashtag life goals. Look at that. That's just too funny. And then it has like little poll you can do. September stickers sneak peek. And there's a sneak peek at the Pro and a sneak peek at the kids. Moving along. Let's pump up the music, y'all. Of course, can't really, because any music I use might get flagged as copyright. So I don't do the music anymore. It says tune in, tune out. So they're all named. So look how cute. Little boom boxes. She's just a jammin'. Very cute stickers. Headphones, mixed tapes, lightning bolts, musical notes, hearts. Stickers are my jam is what her shirt said. Very cute. Ooh, this one's cups. Hugnificent Maxims. And it's cups. Dancing Queen, Queen of Coffee, Music and Coffee, Rockstar, Coffee Rock, Sleep Party Coffee, No Drama Please. Ooh, yay. Karaoke Queen, very cute. And look at the little coffee beans. Just adorable. Cute little mugs. You know, looking at this, I've got a lot of mugs that look like those. Uh-oh, here we go. Stuck together. This is I Love LA. So you've got palm trees and beaches and convertibles and actor chairs and roller skates and rainbows, Ferris wheels. Ooh, look at this shoe with the shopping cart's very cute. I'm thinking about getting one of these things, and then I can click, you know. But mainly so I could just put it in the front of each video and tell you, you know, me when I'm editing, what everything is. You charmed me. So charm bracelets. Oh dear. Charm bracelets. Very cute. Got little moons and candies and butterflies and smiley faces. Oh look, there's pizza. Horseshoes, anchors, roller skates, strawberries, planets. So many things. So very many things. Just adorable. What's this one? Party mode. Let the good times roll. Life is a party. Put on your dreams. Is that dream shoes? I don't know. Some kind of shoes. I can't read it. Feel that beat. Meet me on the dance floor. Feeling good. Celebrate good things. Very cute. Trying to figure out the best way to show these to you. I feel like I'm getting too much glare. Disco doggies. Disco doggies. Look at the doggies with the afro. Oh my goodness. Too cute. And roller skates. And look, is that John Travolta's outfit or what? That's too funny. Disco balls. The big shoes. Flowers and sunglasses and rainbows. Very, very, very cute. So here is my vinyl sticker. We normally get one vinyl sticker in each one. This is a personal stereo vinyl. You remember these? Remember these Walkmans? We used to carry them everywhere and always have a mixtape in them. Too funny. Oh, here's the grannies. Rockin' grannies. Look at that. Grandma's got some moves, y'all. Look at that. That's too funny. Lightning bolts and flowers. And what is that? I can't even tell. With little skulls? Oh, that's weird. Little black stars. Rocker grannies. Too funny. Karaoke night. So you got your jukebox. Everybody's got a microphone singing. Music notes. What is that guy? Guess that's a little mini karaoke machine. This is my song. They are adorable, y'all. Oh, look at this one. Sticker poetry. And you write, it's got all the words. The, a, am, that. They, you, we, us together is, am, are, said, have, had, but then, when, we be, no, would, I, from, like, go, come, dude, hamster, girl, pen, rock star, ninja, cat, boy. I'm not reading all this, but, you know, that's what I'm saying. It's just all kinds of words, and you can make your own little poetry out of it. Very cute. So, carry a tune. Here's your washi tape. And it's musical note, well, music with notes and lines, and you know what I mean? And flowers. Very pretty. Ooh, I like this one. This one must have been from, well, I don't know. Normally if it was done by Lisa Loeb. Maybe not. This is Country Music Makers. Yes, I know. I'm a child. I can play one of them. A violin. Well, I used to be able to. I have one of them. Cowboy hat, bandana, banjo, guitar, harmonica, boots, hats, bull skulls with the horns, all nine. Very, very cute stickers. And then colorful musical notes, all different colors. This is compare notes. You got red, orange, green, blue, purple, and pink. Very pretty. Used to be able to read music. I don't think I can do it anymore. So this one doesn't have a title. It just says August 2022 PipSticks, but it's more music. Pianos, trumpets. That's what my son played in band. why can't I think of what that's called? Drums. It's just left me. All those years in band for me, my sisters, my son, and I can't think of what this thing is called. Somebody help a girl out. I'll figure it out. Anyway, it's got flowers and everything on it too. Very cute. I'll think of it after I finish the video. I normally do. Ooh, I can't read that one. Bloomers? I think that says bloomers. It is flowers. Very cute. Let's dance. And this is a postcard. They send you a postcard with each one. Very cute. All right, so what did you think of the stickers for this month? Did you like them? Do you think it's worth the money? Come on, be honest. Am I just being ridiculous? Do I need to be spending that on clothes and jewelry and other things? Shoes, purses, makeup, credit card bills. I know. Thank y'all so very much for watching and putting up with my goofy silliness. I hope you enjoyed this. I'd really appreciate it if you press all those YouTube buttons. Please subscribe to my channel. Subscribing to my channel is free. So, you know, what do you got to lose? You just see me a little more on your page, and I appreciate it so very much. Please give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to encourage your friends to subscribe as well. There's a notification bell down there so you don't miss any of my videos. And I also have a super thanks if you want to donate to the cause. So thank you so very much. Y'all have a wonderful day and God bless.